place first. Add 10 after that. And then the number on the units place. For example, 38 is 38. 62 is 62. And 95 is 95.
95.
And if it is a number between 10 and 20, you can just say 10 and then the number. For example, 11 is 11, 14 is 14, and 17 is 17.
11, 14, 17. And Yajie, 100 is?
100.
100.
Great. We have another word which means year. 岁.
Right. 我26岁了. I'm 26 years old.
你多大了?
我19岁. Great. Well, we've learned how to say the numbers from 0 to 100 in Chinese. So the question of the day is, how do you say 100 in Chinese? Class is over for today. 明天见.
再见.
Send your answer to the following email address, chinese@cri.com.cn. You can also log on to www.crienglish.com. Click Learn Chinese to know more about the program and to access to a lot more Chinese learning materials.